Welcome to our audiobook channel, Best Books Club, presenting to you a detailed summary of the thrilling novel Haunting Adeline, written by H.D CARLTON. Let's dive into the world of mystery, suspense, and supernatural occurrences. The story takes place in the small town of Ravenswood, known for its haunted history. Adeline, a young and curious woman, moves into an old Victorian house that has been abandoned for decades. The moment she steps foot inside, strange things begin to happen. Doors slam shut, objects move on their own, and chilling whispers echo through the corridors. Adeline, determined to uncover the truth behind the house's haunting, embarks on a journey to unravel its dark past. She discovers that the house was once owned by a powerful sorcerer named Elijah Blackwood, who practiced forbidden magic in his quest for immortality. Adeline befriends a group of local historians who reveal the chilling legend of Blackwood. They explain that he made a pact with a malevolent spirit, binding his soul to the house after his death. The spirit, known as the Shadow King, feeds on the fear and despair of those who enter the house. Adeline's determination grows as she delves deeper into the mystery. She discovers an ancient spellbook hidden in the house's attic, containing incantations and rituals to banish the Shadow King. Adeline realizes that she must confront the spirit head-on to free herself from its clutches. Armed with knowledge and courage, Adeline performs the rituals outlined in the spellbook. The house becomes a battleground between good and evil, as she faces off against the vengeful spirit. With each incantation, the house trembles, and the presence of the Shadow King weakens. Adeline's journey is not without sacrifice. As she fights to banish the spirit, she uncovers painful secrets from her own past. The house becomes a metaphor for her inner demons, and she must confront her own fears to truly conquer the darkness. In a climactic showdown, Adeline confronts the Shadow King in the heart of the house. With her newfound strength, she casts a final spell, breaking the spirit's hold on the house and banishing it forever. The once haunted Victorian mansion is now free from its malevolent presence. As the story draws to a close, Adeline emerges as a changed woman, having conquered her own demons and freed the house from its haunting. She leaves Ravenswood, knowing that her courage and resilience will continue to inspire others who face their own battles. And that concludes our detailed summary of Haunting Adeline by H.D CARLTON. Hope you enjoyed this spine-tingling journey into the world of supernatural suspense. Stay tuned for more thrilling audiobook summaries. Kindly share, comment, like, and subscribe. Audiobook channel Best Books Club.